Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert PI symbol in Excel. If you want the symbol to appear inside a cell using a quick formula, the unichar function is the cleanest method. For this you need to select the cells where you want the PI symbol and then type the following formula and press enter. Put the equal signs, type unichar, open the bracket and type the code 960, close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that. So if you want to combine it with the text, for example the value, you can use the ampersand. So for this you need to put the formula, put the equal sign, double quote, and the value, for example 2 space double quote space, put the ampersand space and type unichar, open the bracket, type 960, close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that. Moreover, if your keyboard has a separate numeric keypad, you can use a quick alt code shortcut. For this you need to double click the cell to enter the editing mode, press and hold down the alt key and type 227 on the numeric keypad and release the alt key and the symbol will appear instantly. If you find yourself needing the pi symbol constantly, you can get a custom shortcuts to Excel. For this you need to copy this pi symbol, open the notepad and first you need to paste it here and then again copy it, go to the file, click on the more, click on the options and click on the proofing and click on the autocorrect option, and in the width box type the Ctrl V to paste the pi symbol, and in the replace box you need to use the shortcut, for example \pi, and now click add, click OK and click OK, and now whenever you type \pi and hit enter, it will automatically transform to pi symbol. Moreover, if you are designing a dashboard or a report, cover page and want a highly polished, styled mathematical formula rather than plain text inside a cell, you can use the equation editor. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the symbol, click on the equations. So an equation editor box will be open up. Now click on this symbols group and in the basic math you need to find it here, and here it is. You just need to click to insert and you can drag it and move anywhere in the cell. You can change the font size like 18. Another way is that you need to click insert, click on the symbol, click on the equations and put the \, type pi and hit the space. It will be instantly convert the pi symbol. If you want Excel to actually calculate using the mathematical value of pi symbol, which is 3.14159, then use the built-in pi function. For example, to calculate the area of circle A equal to R2 where the radius is in cell A2, you can use this. So put the equal sign, type pi, open the bracket, close the bracket, space, steric, space, open the bracket, select the cell's reference, put the caret symbol, put the 2, close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can enter the value, for example 2, and here you can see that. So this way you can easily insert pi symbol in Excel. If you think this will, so this way you can easily insert pi symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.